Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Everyone, my name is Akash Dubey. I belongs from Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering from RRSIMT, Amethi. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology, so I am looking for a job in a IT industry. So my friend suggest for a joining Evision Technosir in a making career in a IT industry. So I am joining Evision 20th June 2022. So here we study network basic, CCNA, Windows Administrator, Linux and cyber security. Evision faculty is the best faculty, so they can provide support and valuable knowledge. So I'm got selected HCL with 3.2 LPA package. So thank you Evision for providing me support and valuable knowledge.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.